Hi everyone, welcome back to the 1x tutorial series. Today we'll be focusing on the bridge features of the 1x platform. The 1x bridge allows you to seamlessly transfer your assets across different networks, making it easier than ever to manage and trade your crypto assets. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of using the bridge step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to the bridge section. To access the bridge feature, go to the 1x web application at app.1x.net and make sure you're in the Trade tab. Underneath the Trade and Pool tabs, you'll see two sections, Swap and Bridge. Click on Bridge to reveal the Transfer Bridge box. Step 2. Configure Advanced Setting in the Transfer Bridge box. You'll find an icon on the upper right side. This is the Advanced Setting button. Click on it to open up a box where you can customize your transfer setting. First, set the gas on destination chain option. You can choose None, Default, or input a custom value. Next, select your desired slippage tolerance. Once you're done configuring the advanced setting, close the box to return to the bridge interface. Step 3. Beside the Advanced Setting button, you'll find another icon that looks like a wallet with a plus sign inside. Click on this icon to open an input box below the total amount field. Here you can add a destination address that you want the bridge tokens to arrive at. Step 4. Select the From and To tokens and networks. In the From section, choose the token and network you want to transfer your assets from. Next, in the To section, select the tokens and network you want to receive your assets on. Step 5. Enter the total amount. Input the total amount of assets you want to transfer in the Total Amount field. Step 6. Review the transfer details. After inputting all the necessary information, you'll see a You Will Receive dropdown. Click on it to view details about the transfer, such as slippage, fees, and gas cost. Make sure to review these details carefully before proceeding. Step 7. Initiate the transfer. Once you're satisfied with the transfer details, click on the Transfer button and approve the process to initiate the transfer you've just asked. The 1x platform will handle the rest, seamlessly transferring your assets across the selected networks. So now you know how to use the 1x bridge to effortlessly transfer your assets between different networks. With this powerful feature, you can take full advantage of this diverse crypto landscape and manage your assets more efficiently. Stay tuned for more tutorials on the 1x platform. And that's it. Best of luck with your investments.